Hi, this is Joe,
And Maddie.
and we're going to show you how to create a Google account. First, you're going to need a browser. You can use Firefox or Internet Explorer or Chrome. I have Chrome right here. I clicked on this button right here on a Mac. It might look different if you're on a PC, but when you click it, you'll get a browser like this. And what you have to do is go to address the address bar, and you can type in google.com. Sometimes people like to be official and type in the official address, which is http://www.google.com, and that will get you to the same page, which is essentially the sign up page. You'll see on the top right, it says sign in right here. Sometimes, if you have a Google account already, then you don't even need to use this video, right? If you have a Google account, you might not even have this sign in. You might be signed in already like this. You might, like I'm signed in right here. Now, if you want to create a new account, you have to sign out first. So, like, this is what I'm doing. I'm signing out, and then I'll get the sign in. All right. So, when you click on this, and I'm going to use this browser for now. When you click on this, you'll have the sign in. Okay. Now, don't enter in your email there because you won't have an account yet.
Well, I already have an account.
You have an account, but
Yes.
Livy doesn't have an account. We'll create an account for Livy. All right.
Okay.
So we're going to create an account. You'll see a link here that says create account. You want to use that, right? Create account, and let's see. Here, you'll type in your name. Your first name is Livy. We're going to make an example, like create an account for Livy, which she really needs an account. Chen. All right. And your username will be Livy.
.chen.
Yep. Now, if you use a name that is not unique, that's already in the system, somebody else.
Livy.cheninfo.
Yeah, I can use Livy.
Because I have
Maddie.cheninfo.
Maddie.cheninfo.
I was just trying to show that there's a little error that says someone else has that username. So what you're going to have to do is figure out a username that's a little bit more unique, like LivyChen6 or Chen Livy. It'll give you some different things. But we like to use ChenInfo because that's pretty unique, Livy.cheninfo. And then we'll create a password. I'm going to just type in a password that we know, but you may not know. Okay. I'm going to make sure I type it in right. All right, and then we'll put in her
21st.
Yeah, okay.
2006.
Now, here's the key. You need to be 13 years or older to
So
have
just
an account.
fake it.
No. We do not recommend faking it
No,
at all.
no.
All right?
That's how you do it.
So you do not want to fake it.
If you want an
but
account,
we're going to have an
to.
example here where somebody is old enough, okay? All right, and this is for Livy, and they don't require it, but it's nice to have a phone number so that in case if you forget your password, they can send you a message, text message, and they don't require it, but you can have an email as well. Okay.
Or just do Livy at Chen.
Livy, okay, at cheninfo.com. Okay, that's her email, and if you don't have an email, don't worry about it. You don't need it. Prove you're not a robot. What they do is just make sure that you read this and follow the instructions, okay? You can skip this, but then they will require that you have a phone number. Instead, you can just type it in. Maddie will type it in to prove that she's not a robot. And what they do is they make you read this picture, which robots find it tough to read. Location, United States, if you're in the United States. And you do want to read the terms and service and privacy policy, which includes things like you can't be a child to use this. Okay. I'm making a video. I'll be there in just 1 second. I'm going to click next step. And this is where we'll get to... okay, well, your new email address is this. And we do know our password because we just created that with our password. Hopefully you will remember that. And now you have a Google account, and your email, your username is this, or not this. I mean, whatever you came up with. Livy's will be this, and her password will be the one that you entered in before. So you have created an account, and now you can continue and use it. Okay, what you'll do is you're logged in right now, but if you do want to sign out and log it back in, you can use that Livy Chen. Well, okay, let's say you want to use a different account, and well, I guess if you did have to, you would type in livy.cheninfo@gmail.com, not her email, but yours, okay? And then you will put in your password, which is the one that you entered in. And that's how you can access, if I can type it in right, your Google Mail, your Google Photos, your
YouTube.
Google YouTube, your Blogger, just about everything that Google has. And that's about it. And thank you. I'm Joe.
Bye.
Bye.
Pasta's ready.
Pasta's ready. You're